Now we're going to go on to shape 5. So as you can see, this is shape 5 right here. And again, when you're going to look at it, you're going to look at it and say, okay, this looks like it would be a solid rectangular prism where a circle has been extruded or cut out here and then also right here. So that means we're going to go ahead and just draw the rectangular prism to begin with. So on our inventor, we're going to do a new part. Okay, and we're going to start our 3D sketch. Alright, so we're going to start off with a rectangle. Alright, and we are going to dimension that. The length was 2, and the height was 1.25. Okay, we're going to finish the sketch. Then we're going to go ahead and extrude, and it extrudes 1.5. Okay, so there is our base shape. Okay, so first thing we're going to do is we are going to go ahead and put a circle on this face right here. We're going to do this part of the shape right here. Okay. Also looking at the picture, you notice this r equals 0.5. That's the radius. So when it gives you the radius, you know that your diameter is actually going to be 1. Okay, so let's go to Inventor. We're going to start a 2D sketch, and we're going to start on this face. Alright, we're going to do circle. Alright, so when a circle comes, if you look at the picture, the center of the circle actually lies on this line right here. Okay, so I'm going to wait till I get to where it's blue, and I'm going to click, and I'm going to go ahead and just draw my circle. Okay, now when you're dimensioning a circle, you hit dimension, and you're going to go ahead and just point at the circle. You see how when I hover over the circle, I get that little circle underneath it with a line through it? That's going to tell me that I can say what the diameter is. Right, so if the radius is 0.5, that means the diameter is 1. Okay? Now, if you notice, it kind of moved the circle over. So we're going to look at our drawing, and the drawing says the distance, so this part right here marks the center of this, which is also the center of the circle. So the distance from the center of the circle to the edge of the prism is 0.75. So that means I'm going to do my dimension. I'm going to do the center to there. Come on, is 0.75. That moves it up. Okay, so now I'm going to finish my sketch. Go ahead and right click and extrude. I'm going to select my circle, and it's going to extrude, let's move it over, through, so it's going to go down all the way through. Okay, so that's that part. Now let's go ahead and look at this other side. Alright, now this one is a little bit different. On this one, what we're going to do is we are going to, put a sketch over here. So I'm going to do new sketch. Oops, did it wrong. Sorry. Let's go to the home, and I'm going to turn it around. We're going to do a new sketch over here. So we're going to do new sketch. Alright, so if you're looking at the picture, this is part of a circle right here. Okay, the center of the circle is on the corner, and it has a radius of 1. Okay, so that means the diameter is actually 2, but the radius is 1. So that means the distance from here to here is equal to 1. So let's go back. Alright, so we're going to draw our circle. So the circle starts here at the corner, that's the center. Make sure it grabs it right where it turns green. I'm going to click. Okay, and I want to have a diameter of sorry. Radius is 1, so that means that the diameter is going to be 2. Okay, now since we said the center was there on the corner, it's going to be exactly where we need it to be. So we're going to hit Finish Sketch. Right, and then we're going to go ahead and extrude. Okay, and we're going to go, zoom out. We're going to go down. Come on. Sorry, my computer's running slowly. Okay, let's try this again. There we go. And it's going to go in, if you look at the picture, it's going in 1. Alright, so let's check this out. Right, and there is our shape. This distance right here should be 1 with a radius of 1 from here to here as well. And that is shape 5.